Want to make your money work for you in 2025 but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Forget the hype. Real wealth isn't about chasing trends or gambling on the next big thing. It's about smart, proven strategies that anyone can use, no finance degree required. In this video, I'll break down the top 3 investment strategies for 2025. What they are, how they work, and why they matter now. By the end, you'll have a clear, actionable roadmap to start or level up your investment journey. Ready to cut through the noise and build real wealth? Let's dive in. Smash that like button and let's get started. First up, let's talk about a cornerstone of smart investing. It's the foundation of any solid portfolio: index funds. These are the unsung heroes of the investment world, often overlooked but incredibly powerful. An index fund is like buying a slice of the entire market. Think of it as owning a little bit of everything. It's not just a few companies but hundreds of companies in one investment. This diversification is key to managing risk. Instead of betting on a single stock, which can be a risky gamble, you're investing in the long-term growth of the whole economy. You're betting on the overall success of businesses and innovation. History shows the market trends upward over time, despite inevitable dips and corrections. And index funds let you ride that wave with minimal risk, providing a smoother, more predictable path to your financial goals. They're low cost, with fees often just fractions of a percent. We're talking about expense ratios that are incredibly competitive. This seemingly small difference can end up saving you thousands over the years, allowing your investments to compound more effectively. The truth is, most active managers can't beat the market consistently over the long term. So why pay more for worse results? It's a question worth asking yourself. In uncertain times when market volatility can be unsettling, index funds offer steady, disciplined growth, a calm harbor in a stormy sea. There's no need to time the market or stress over daily swings. You can relax knowing your money is working for you. Getting started is easy. It's a surprisingly straightforward process. Simply open an account with a reputable brokerage like Vanguard or Fidelity. These platforms are user-friendly and designed for investors of all levels. Then pick a fund like VTSAX or FXAI and set up automatic investments. This automates your savings and ensures you're consistently investing. Use dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions, to smooth out market ups and downs. This strategy helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Index funds take the guesswork out of investing, eliminating the need for constant monitoring and decision-making. This frees you up, letting you focus on earning and saving more, and enjoying your life. For most people, especially beginners who are just starting their investment journey, this is the best way to build wealth over time. It's a simple yet powerful strategy. Even Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, recommends them for the average investor. That's a pretty strong endorsement. Simple, proven, and effective. Index funds offer a clear path to long-term financial success. Next, let's explore a strategy that allows you to earn while you invest. A concept that combines the potential for capital appreciation with regular income. It's called dividend investing. This approach focuses on companies that share their profits with their shareholders. Dividends are cash payments from companies to shareholders, a tangible return on your investment. Think of it as a reward for owning a piece of the company. They provide a steady income stream on top of potential stock growth, offering a dual benefit for investors. This can be particularly appealing for those seeking a more predictable return. Blue-chip companies like Coca-Cola, known for their stability and market dominance, have a long history of paying and increasing dividends for decades, demonstrating their commitment to returning value to shareholders. This offers reliability even in volatile markets, providing a cushion during economic downturns and market fluctuations. Reinvesting dividends through a DRIP, or dividend reinvestment plan, lets your returns compound as you purchase more shares with your dividends, further increasing your potential for future income and growth. This accelerates your wealth over time, creating a powerful snowball effect that can significantly enhance your long-term investment performance. In 2025's uncertain climate, where economic forecasts are hazy and market conditions are unpredictable, dividend income adds stability, providing a consistent source of cash flow regardless of market performance. It also acts as a buffer against market swings, helping to mitigate losses during periods of volatility and uncertainty. When selecting dividend stocks, look for companies with a strong history, specifically, a proven track record of paying and growing dividends, indicating financial health and stability. Aim for a healthy yield, generally in the range of 2–4%, which represents a reasonable return without excessive risk. Also, consider a low payout ratio, which indicates that the company is retaining enough earnings to reinvest in its business and sustain future dividend payments. Avoid chasing the highest yields, as these can sometimes be unsustainable and may indicate underlying financial problems. Instead, focus on sustainability and overall financial strength, ensuring the company can continue paying dividends in the long term. Prefer diversification? If you're looking for a simpler way to diversify your dividend holdings, try dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD or VIG. These ETFs offer a basket of dividend-paying stocks, providing instant access to dozens of reliable payers and reducing your overall risk. Ultimately, dividend investing is about building a passive income stream, a source of revenue that requires minimal ongoing effort. It's about setting the stage and letting compounding work for you, gradually increasing your wealth over time. Whether you pick individual stocks or ETFs, the choice is yours based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Either way, it's a smart way to add income and resilience, creating a more robust and balanced investment strategy. Consider dividend investing as a valuable component to your portfolio, contributing to both income generation and long-term growth. So, get paid while you wait for your investments to grow, enjoying the benefits of both income and appreciation. Now let's move beyond the often volatile world of stocks and explore another avenue for building lasting wealth. While the stock market can offer exciting opportunities, it's important to diversify your investment strategy. Real estate. This asset class has been a cornerstone of wealth creation for generations. Real estate is a time-tested way to build wealth, offering a unique blend of income generation and long-term appreciation. It's a tangible asset that you can see, touch, and even improve, and hedge against inflation. As the cost of goods and services rises, real estate values tend to follow suit, protecting your investment's purchasing power. The classic route is owning rental properties, providing a steady stream of income and the potential for significant capital gains. You earn cash flow, providing you with regular income to cover expenses or reinvest. Benefit from appreciation, as the value of your property increases over time, boosting your overall wealth. Build equity as you pay down your mortgage, increasing your ownership stake in the property. And enjoy tax perks, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation, which can significantly reduce your tax burden. Not into being a landlord? The responsibilities of property management can be demanding. REITs let you invest in real estate through the stock market, offering a hands-off approach to real estate investing, offering high dividends and instant diversification across a portfolio of properties. REITs are liquid, meaning you can easily convert your investment back into cash. Easy to buy or sell, just like any other stock on the market, and require little capital to start, making them an accessible option for investors of all levels. For more direct exposure but without the full commitment of property ownership, try real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, which democratize access to real estate investing, where you can invest in specific projects with just a few $100s, pooling your resources with other investors. Each option, direct ownership, with all the responsibilities and rewards that come with it. REITs, offering a diversified portfolio of real estate assets, or crowdfunding, allowing you to participate in specific projects with smaller investments, offers different levels of control, risk, and involvement, so choose wisely. In 2025, real estate can provide valuable diversification, helping to balance your overall investment portfolio, and a buffer against rising prices, protecting your wealth from the erosive effects of inflation. Choose the approach that fits your goals and risk tolerance, carefully considering your investment horizon and financial situation. Real estate isn't just for the wealthy. Thanks to innovative investment options, it's more accessible than ever, with lower barriers to entry and a wider range of investment opportunities. Add a tangible asset to your portfolio, providing a sense of security and stability in an uncertain world. For long-term growth and stability, building a solid foundation for your financial future. There you have it, 3 proven strategies to build wealth in 2025 and beyond. Index funds for simplicity and growth, dividend stocks for steady income, and real estate for tangible wealth and diversification. You don't need to be an expert. Just start, stay disciplined, and think long-term. Even small, consistent investments can grow into real wealth over time. Pick a strategy, open an account, and take that first step today. Which strategy excites you most for 2025? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wealth building tips. Thanks for watching. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.